Hello students, we are talking about the syllabus changes in business A level for 2023. Specifically, we are talking about the changes in A2 right now in this set of videos. In this set of videos, let's talk about the section number 5 of A2. Okay. 10.1 first, chapter number 33 of the Peter Stimson book, the name of the financial statement. This was the part of A1. Now it has been made part of A2. Statement of profit and loss. Previously we know it as income statement. The meaning and the purpose of income or statement of profit and loss was part of A1. Now A2. The content statement, the profit loss account, revenue, cost, sales, etc. Everything was part of A1, now part of A2. Operating profit, taxation, dividends, retained earning, the concept of all these, part of A2 now. Amendment of statement of profit and loss, this was already being tested in A2, it will be tested in A2. The impact of statement of profit and loss are given change. Okay, these are some new contents to the section number 5. Majority of them has been transferred from A1 to A2. Statement of the financial position, that was also part of A1, now made part of A2. The meaning and the purpose of statement of financial position, first of all, this was part of A1. The content of the statement, part of A1, now transferred to A2. Okay, the new thing that has been added that was not even part of A1 is the amendments of the statement of financial position. Amendments, changes. Okay, no, there are not any questions that are given in the past papers because this is the new topic. There is only 1-2 questions that are given in your Peter Stimson book or some other books. You can use those questions to amend the statement of the financial position and try to be better prepared in the exam. Okay, the relationship between the item of statement, profit and loss account and statement of financial position, that was already part of A1, now part of A2. Okay, there are few changes in the ratios. The part analysis of the published account. This is topic 10.2, syllabus code is 10.2, name is analysis of the published accounts, chapter number 34 of your Peter Stimson book. Okay, the liquidity ratios was part of A1, now they will be tested in A2. The meaning and importance of liquidity, current ratio, acid test ratio, the methods of improving liquidity, everything was part of A1, now it will be tested in A2. Profitability ratios was part of A1, now they will be tested in A2. The meaning and importance of profitability. The return on capital employed was a part of A2 already, so ये तो पहले ही A2 का पार्ट था. Gross profit margin was part of A1, transferred to A2. Profit margin, it means operating profit margins, was part of A1, now transferred to A2. Methods of improving profitability was part of A1, now transferred to A2. In financial efficiency ratios, there is one ratio that has been new added, that is trade payable turnover. Okay, calculation and interpretation is part. Another new chapter that has been added to this syllabus, we'll talk about it later. Okay, there is one major change that you need to know in the investment appraisal, that is chapter number 35 of Peter Stimson book, syllabus code 10.3, investment appraisal. The whole chapter is same, but there is one new thing in that the formula of average rate of return has been changed. The formula of ARR has been changed. Now we use the similar formula that accounting students are using, that is average profit divided by average inventory. If students remember, previously we use the initial investment in the average investment ki jagah pe, but we are using now average profit divided by average investment, and average investment we calculate by a formula, initial investment plus residual value divided by 2. Okay ji. A new chapter is added here. The chapter name is Finance and Accounting Strategy. The chapter number is chapter number 36 in Peter Stimson book, and the syllabus code is 10.4. The topic is the use of accounting data to enable strategic decision making. The use of financial statement in developing strategies, 1. The content of an annual report and their usefulness to the business and other stakeholders, 2. The use of accounting data and ratio analysis in strategic decision making, 3. Assessment of business performance over time against competitors, 4. The impact of accounting data including ratios resulting in business strategy, 5. The impact of debt or equity decisions on ratio results, 6. The impact of changes in a dividend strategy on ratio, 7. The impact of business growth on ratio, 8. The impact of other business strategies on ratio, 9. the limitations of the using published accounts, that was already part of the syllabus, but this is the part of this chapter now. Okay, kids, before we end this video about this chapter specifically, I taught this chapter as a part of ratio analysis wala chapter, the financial analysis wala chapter. If you know ratios well, if you know how they can be applied to the given situation, if you know what each ratio tells you, how to use that for the purpose of business decision making, there is nothing new for you in this chapter. So only what you need to know is how to use those ratios, ताकि आप इस चैप्टर को भी अच्छे तरीके से अटेम्प्ट कर सकें. Okay, this was the last video of these set of videos. What syllabus changes has been done to the 2023 syllabus? Please give your feedback. Thank you.